Do you think a top-notch engineering team will make your product a hit? Think again. Engineering builds products that work, but it takes more to win over your market. Without the right approach, even a well-engineered product can miss the mark. Engineering makes it functional, but product development makes it desirable. A lot of companies believe that hiring great engineers is enough to launch a successful product. And engineering is critical. It solves the technical challenges, like making your product work and optimizing it for manufacturing. But here's the reality. Engineering alone doesn't ensure your product will connect with customers or thrive in the market. That's where product development steps in. Engineering makes it work. Product development makes it wanted. Here's the issue. Your engineer can design a product that's technically flawless and ready for manufacturing. But if you haven't nailed the product market fit, you're in trouble. What happens when your product doesn't resonate with your target audience or stand out in the market? Or the colors and the graphics and the overall look don't grab attention or feel right to your users? Or on the business side, you face supply chain issues because no one planned for reliable, cost-effective component sourcing. Those aren't necessarily engineering problems, they're business and design problems. Ignore them, and you risk launching a product that customers overlook or that costs too much to sustain. A working product doesn't mean a winning product. At Emergent Design Labs, we don't just engineer products, we develop them to succeed in the market and in your business. We start with your customers and your market, then build a product that's both functional and irresistible. Here's what we focus on. First, product market fit. Does your product solve a real need and excite your target audience? Next, industrial design. Are the colors, the graphics, and aesthetics guided by color theory and artistic appeal, crafted to captivate and align with your brand? Next, scalability. Can your design be manufactured efficiently and sourced reliably with off-the-shelf or bulk components that don't break the bank? Next, IP protection. Do you own your design, keeping you free from supplier lock-in? And finally, business viability. Will your pricing and your margins support your long-term goals? We engineer for function, we design for desire. Our process blends technical engineering with industrial design and business strategy. So your product doesn't just work, it wins customers and scales profitably. Quick story, one of our clients came to us with a prototype that their engineering team had designed. It was well built and it met all the functional requirements, but it didn't connect with their customers. The design felt unfinished, with an industrial aesthetic and mismatched colors. Plus, they hadn't planned for cost-effective component sourcing, risking margin issues down the line. We redesigned it with product design principles, preserving the functional design and giving it a sleek, finished look. We also secured reliable, affordable component sources. The result? A product that turned heads, won customers, and launched on budget. Engineering builds the product, product development wins the market. Here's one thing to remember. Engineering, even with manufacturing optimization, gets you a product that works. Product development ensures it's a product customers want and your business can sustain. Don't leave your success to engineering alone. Partner with a full-service product development firm to create something that's both functional and unforgettable. Are you ready to launch a product that captivates your market? Start with a plan that blends engineering, design, and business smarts. Visit emergentdesignlabs.com to download our free guide. It'll show you the key questions to ask to ensure your product is built to win, not just to work. And if you're ready to create something that stands out, we're here to help you make it happen.